Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekkalaiva. Today I am going to teach in exercise 2.6 question number 5. Find the term independent of x in the expansion of first subdivision x square minus 2 by 3x the whole power 9 x minus 2 by x square the whole power 15, that is second subdivision. Third subdivision is 2x square plus 1 by x the whole power 12. Right? First I am going to recall the general term of the expansion. What is that? Anyone? Yeah, very good. General term of an expansion is general term of an expansion. Expansion is NC or x power n minus r a power r. In that question, one more word is given, right? Find the term independent of x. Find the term independent of x. The term independent of x is nothing but the term independent of x. Independent of x is x to the power 0. If the power of x is 0, that term we call it as independent of x, right? If the term is having x to the power, if the term is having x to the power 0, for example, 5, it is an independent term. How I am saying it is an independent term? I can write it as 5 is equal to 5 into x to the power 0, right? See, I expressed along with x, at the same time I won't disturb the number 5. How I didn't disturb? Anything raised to 0, 1. So 5 into 1 equal to 5. Got it, children? The term independent of x is nothing but power of x as 0. Power of x as 0. That is the meaning. Or you can say x raised to the power 0. Right? Using this, we are going to find the independent term of this expansion. First subdivision, x square minus 2 divided by 3x the whole power 9. Here, what is your n? N equal to 9. You have to relate with your formula. X plus a the whole power n, right? Binomial. What is your x? Here x as x square. You should not cancel. First term as x. Here the first term is x square. What is your a? A equal to minus 2 by 3x. A equal to minus 2 by 3x. Now, general term, that is T r plus 1 equal to NC r x power n minus r into a power r. Now you know the value of n, x and a, which is equal to 9 c r x square the whole power 9 minus r minus 2 divided by 3x the whole power r. Right. Here, nine c r x power 18 minus 2r. Law of exponent. X power a the whole power b can be written as x power a into b. The same thing I applied here. 2 into 9 minus r. The 2 is applicable for 9 as well as r. So that I have written here 18 minus 2r. Now minus 2 power r. Then 1 minute. Minus 2 by 3 the whole power r x power minus r. You are shifting x to the numerator, the power which becomes negative. So minus 1 into r minus r. Now 9cr, here the base are same, right? A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. That rule we are going to apply here, right? X power 18 minus 2r, x power minus r. The base is same. So 18 minus 2r minus r. Then minus 2 by 3 the whole power r. Which is equal to 9cr x power 18 minus 3r minus 2 by 3 the whole power r. Now what it is given? The term is independent of x, right? Given the term is independent of x. Independent of x means what I said, x to the power x raised to the power as 0, right? Now you are going to equate the powers of x. Equate the powers of x. Here what is your x? Here what is your x, children? 1 minute I will show you. What is your x? Power of x is what? 18 minus 3r. So 18 minus 3r is equal to independent. The term is independent of x means what I told you, the power of x is 0. So you are equating the powers of x. Now what can you get? 3r equal to 18, r equal to 6. Using the term is independent, we are calculating the value of r, right? Now t r plus 1, that is t7 equal to 9c6, r can be replaced by 6. Then minus 2 by 3 the whole power 6 x to the power 0, x to the power 0. Now 9c6, the negative here, power is even, so it becomes positive. 2 by 3 the whole power 6. 2 by 3 the whole power 6 is the independent, the term independent of x. The term independent of x. Got it, children? Independent of x means the power of x as 0. Now, second subdivision, x minus 2 by x square the whole power 15. Here what is your n? N is 15. The first term x as x. Your second term a, that is equal to minus 2 by x square. The general expansion, what it is? T r plus 1 equal to n c r x power n minus r into a power r. You know the value of n, x and a. That we are going to substitute. 15cr x power n minus r, x power 15 minus r minus 2 by x square the whole power r. Then 15CR x power 15 minus r minus 2 to the power r x power minus 2 the whole power r. Here what I did, the power of x I shift to the numerator, so it become negative. Now 15CR x power 15 minus r x power minus 2r minus 2 the whole power r. Again law of exponent, the base are same, you are going to add the powers. So what can you get, which is equal to 15CR x power 15 minus 3r. See here minus r minus 2r both are negative, add and put negative symbol, minus 2 power r. Since the term is independent of x, since the term is independent of x, the term is independent of x. Independent of x means I have discussed, right? The power of x as 0. You are going to equate the power of x, right, to 0. That means 15 minus 3r equal to 0, which implies 3r equal to 15, r equal to 5. Now T6 equal to 15C6 minus 2 power 6 into x power 0. Now this is equal to 15C6, 2 to the power 6 is the term independent of x. Is the term, 2 to the power 5. Sorry children. Because r is 5 only, no? Sorry. X to the power 0, which is equal to minus 15C6, 15C5. Sorry, r value was 5. R value was 5 children. Sorry. 15C5 minus 1 the whole power 5. That is odd integer. So negative 2 to the power 5. Right? Is the term independent of x. Is the term independent of x. Next, third subdivision, 2x square plus 1 by x the whole power 12. Here what is your n? N equal to 12. X is equal to the first term 2x square. The second term is a equal to 1 by x. T r plus 1 equal to, either you can use capital T or small t, no problem for it, right? NCR x power n minus r into a power r. Now 12CR x power, that is 2x square the whole power 12 minus r 1 by x the whole power r. Now 12CR 2 to the power 12 minus r x power 2 the whole power 12 minus r. The x I am going to shift to the numerator. So x power minus r. Right? When I shift x to the numerator, it becomes x power minus 1 into r minus r. Here also I apply the law of exponent. AB the whole power m can be written as a power m into b power m. Right? That I applied here. Now, CR 2 to the power 12 minus r x power 24 minus 2r into x power minus r. Again, law of exponent. The base are same. You are going to add the powers. 12CR 2 to the power 12 minus r x power 24 minus 3r. Since the term independent of x, the term is independent of x, so the power of x you are going to equate with 0. Here what is your power of x? 24 minus 3r you are equating with 0 I said, right? Then 3r equal to 24 or equal to 8 or equal to 8. Now T9 equal to T9 equal to 12C8 2 to the power 12 minus 8 2 to the power 12 minus 8 into x power 0. Then 12C8 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 is the term independent of x. Is the term independent of x. Right? Here you can calculate 12C8. Right? 12C8 is equivalent to 12C4. 12C4 into 2 to the power 4. NCR equal to NCN minus R. 12C8 equal to 12C4. So 12C8 can be replaced by 12C4, 2 to the power 4. Then 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is the shortest way to calculate, right? Into 2 to the power 4. How much? 16. Then 4 3s are 12. Cancel. Then 2, 8. 990 into 8. 990 into 8, which is equal to 0, 2, 7, 7920. 7920. Got it, children? If you can calculate, you can calculate. Otherwise, you leave as such. Nothing is wrong, right? Once again, I am going to explain. You have to listen carefully. right? X square minus 2 divided by 3x the whole power 9. Here they are asking find the term independent of x. First you are writing the general term of the expansion. That is t r plus 1 equal to ncr x power n minus r into a power r. Then you are going to relate with your general formula, that is x plus a the whole power n. X is nothing but first term of the expansion. A is nothing but second term of the expansion. Here your first term is x square. So I wrote it as x is equal to x square. Second term a, that is 2 minus 2 divided by 3x. You should take along with the symbol if it is negative, right? Positive means it won't be affected. Now n equal to 9. Then 9cr x power 2 the whole power 9 minus r minus 2 by 3x the whole power r. Then I have applied the law of exponent. I simplified, right? I arrived 9cr x power 18 minus 3r minus 2 by 3 the whole power r. The term is independent of x. If the term is independent of x means you have to equate the powers of x. How to equate the power of x? The independent of x means the power of x as 0. Here your power of x is 18 minus 3r. So you are equating with 0. You will get it as r equal to 6. Then 9c6 minus 2 by 3 the whole power 6 x to the power 0 minus 1 into 2, that is the meaning. Minus 1 the whole power even means it become positive. So I have written the next line as 2 by 3 the whole power 6 is the independent term of x. Now the second one, n equal to 15, x is equal to x, a equal to minus 2 by x square. That I have substituted in the formula. Then 15cr x power 15 minus r minus 2 by x square the whole power r. 15cr x power 15 minus r. Here minus 2 the whole power r. Then I shift x square to the numerator. The power it becomes negative. So minus 2 I return minus 2 into r. Then minus 2r. Then I apply the law of exponent. X power a into x power b equal to x power a plus b. Here 15 minus r minus 15 minus r into x power minus 2r. That I have written here 15 minus 3r. The same, the term is independent of x. So if I equate the power of x, you are going to equate with 0. You arrive the result as 15c5 minus 2 the whole power 5. Here minus 1 into 2, that is the meaning. Minus 1 the whole power 5, odd integer, negative. So minus 15c5, 2 to the power 5 is the term independent of x. Next, the third subdivision, n equal to 12, x is equal to 2, x square, a equal to 1 by x. Again, law of exponent. 2 to the x power 24 minus 2r, x power minus r. You have to go through slowly, children. 2x square the whole power 12 minus r, 1 by x the whole power r, 12cr, 2 to the power 12 minus r, x square the whole power 12 minus r. I shift the x to the numerator, so the power it becomes negative. Then again law of exponent I applied here, 24 minus 3r. Then I equate the power of x, I am going to equate with 0 since the term is independent of x. Then r equal to 8, t9 equal to 12c8 into 2 to the power 12 minus 8 x power 0 is the term independent of x. 12c8 is nothing but 12c4. So we evaluate the value as 7920. Got it, children? Now, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.